our length of arc today. Length of arc. Let us see how we can calculate the length of arc. In the previous class, we treated circumference of a circle, and I gave you two formulas, which are C is equal to 2 pi r and C is equal to pi d. I said if what is given to you is the diameter that is given to you in that circle, you can calculate it directly with pi d, or if you still decide to divide the diameter to have your radius before solving, you can now use the formula, which is 2 pi r, to calculate the circumference of such circle. Today, let us look at length of arc. The length of arc. The length of arc with a given angle. The length of arc with the angle at the center of the circle. The length of arc. Remember, I said we're looking at length of arc today. Length of arc. Remember, the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. The circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So the length of arc, remember this is your arc. Here's your chord. This length, the curved distance is called the arc. You should know that. So the length of arc, the formula for length of arc is equal to theta all over 360 times 2 pi r. Theta all over 360 times 2 pi r. In this case, you will be given an included angle. So I will be having a problem of this type, the center of the circle, in that form. You have theta given. So if you're given a particular circle in this form and you're asked to calculate the length of arc, then you should be able to deal with that properly. For instance, you have this given to you, the center of the circle. You have this, and the radius given to you. The radius given to you is 7 centimeter, and your included angle is 60 degree. For example, 60 degree is your included angle, and you're asked to calculate the length of arc of this problem. You just recall the formula, length of arc. Solution. You already have your included angle, which is the angle at the center of the circle, 60 degree, which is theta. You state your formula for length of arc. Length of arc is equal to theta all over 360 times 2 pi r. You know your pi, we'll be using pi. We should take pi as 22 over 7. So we have length of arc to be, in place of theta, what we have there is 60 degree over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 7, because our radius is 7. So this 7, we cancel this 7. No, this is over 1. This is 1, and this will be 6 in that manner. Here is 1, and here is 3. So what you have, length of arc at this time, length of arc will be 1 times 1 times 22. That will still be 22 over 3. Our answer is 20 over 3. You can put that in fractional form as 7 whole number 1 over 3 centimeter. That will be your length of arc. Your length of arc will be 7 whole number 1 over 3 centimeter. So if you're asked to solve for length of arc, this is the formula. Length of arc, have it in you. As a scholar, you should have this in you. Length of arc is theta all over 360 times the circumference of a circle. Theta all over 360 times the circumference of a circle defines the length of arc. And I've given you some problems that relates to that And here is one of the problems that we have solved already. You ask to calculate the length of arc with included angle or angle at the center of the circle, which is 60 degrees. And this is the answer we got at last. So you try this one right now. Let me see what you're going to have. Do this. The center of the circle, you have this. Assuming here is 46 degrees, or the average is 5 centimeters. Calculate the length of arc. Calculate the length of arc of this circle with the center angle 45 degrees, and here is 5 centimeters. 45 degrees. That angle is not 45. Let me use 145. Let me use 86 degree. 86 degree. Yes. Use 86 degree. Let the included angle be 86 degree. Use that. The length of the radius is 5 centimeters. So use that to calculate your length of arc. The formula for length of arc is theta all over 360 times 2 pi r. Length of arc is theta all over 360 times 2 pi r. Use that to solve the problem. This problem given to you, included angle is 86 degrees and the radius is 5 centimeters. Work out your length of arc and forward your answer to me. Thank you.